Saan mo, guys? Speaker song na makawa sa'yo.
Pero kita sa kwan mo, President. May sakit mo sa President?
Abot, hindi ko kaya nila.
From Pond's Skin Institute, try Pond's Sprint Miracle Serum with niasourcinol. 100 times better than
Si Kwati. Kwat mo si apa sa bata? Labi, hindi ka may maestra, gini ka no?
Wala namang record. Ay, tanong.
Nagbigay ng news conference si Senator Cayetano at si Senator Marcoleta.
How do you move forward from this situation? You don't have
Dapat
to
dapat yung Senator Z.
You said you have not been voted out because 13 has to vote against you. Someone described this situation as parang po kayo yung hari na wala namang kingdom.
Even if may kingdom ako, never naman ako alam niyo po, hindi tayo pwedeng maniwala sa democracy. Tapos when it gets messy, umaangal tayo. It's just like freedom of the press. Do I always like what you report? No, but I have to support you. Can you imagine a Philippines without media? So that's why or what every Monday. Because ang Senado na kinokontrol ng Malacanang ay hindi tunay na Senado. The reality is, I was elected by 13. The Constitution, the Senate rule says, hindi ka pwedeng palitan kundi 13. So wala silang preses, so wala silang photo. Pag nag-walk out para sa bayan, pag kami hindi dumating, ayaw magtrabaho. Ang sagot ko, yes, na doon, they have to deal with it. But I have to assert my authority as a president. From the point of view, for their media, the Constitution says that we can
Ma, nanto sa camera.
Sumipot po ito kahapon si Senator Escudero.
I tell you honestly that I will be praying for you. I love you.
Video.
Alam ko yung pinagdaanan ni Harry. Anak niya, anong nangyayari. So I'm praying for you.
Hindi naman po kayo kasi ikaw, pero kasi itong mga nasusundan ko. Nandun din si Everlord na kapatid ng
Actually, ngayon ko lang nakikita ng pinali.
Ikan sa tutoy-tutoy ka, may nani na ito.
Wala sa medyo mo ka.
Barangay na dito, nag-issue sa Sir Marcos, ano masasabi niyo?
Aga, para transition. Transition.